Hey, it's Ben. I'm back with another income report video. In today's video, I will be comparing my results with last April, also what books sold the best, how much my top 10 best-selling books brought in, and also my royalty target for next month. Okay, let's take a look at my royalties from April 2021. Alright, so here are my royalties from April last year. It was a pretty good month. However, my royalties did start to decline for the next few months after this through May, June and July. Now looking to last month's results, and of course I will reveal the total in a minute. I only published one new book in April, which was a planner. Sales were pretty consistent throughout the month. I received royalties from 80 different books, which is 5.3% of the total number of books I've created. My top 10 best-selling books brought in $2,027, and they were a mixture of logbooks, journals, and activity books. For some reason, I had a massive increase in hardcover sales for April. I've got no idea why, but I'll happily take the extra royalties. So hardcovers alone brought me in a total of $441. My total expenses for the month of April were $1,055, which has decreased because last month it was $1,332. I cancelled my Helium 10 subscription because I haven't really been using it enough to justify the hefty price tag. But I will most likely purchase it again when I go all out preparing and creating books for Q4. Advertising was my biggest expense at $1,009. I had another big clear out in the last few days, which should help me reduce my expenditure for next month. Alright, now I will reveal my royalties. In the last video, I said anything over $3,500 would be great, and luckily my royalties came in above that at $3,671. If I take my expenses away from that figure, I am left with $2,616, or £2,091 for my Brits. I'm very pleased with my results considering I only uploaded one book for the month. I figured my royalties would be slightly less compared to March, as most people are really starting to feel the squeeze of inflation and prices rising all around us. For that reason, my target for May 2022 will be $3,200. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care.